All right, welcome to the FMI Show. So today we're going to start off with Bitcoin and then move forward. All right, let's get started. All right, so we got Bitcoin pulled up here, and we're just take a look right now. We've been squeezed up against this level of support around that 26.5 range here for a while. And if we're just keep bouncing on that, we're going to end up breaking it. I am expecting maybe a little bit of a downside. Levels to look at for me is probably going to be around the 26.2 would probably be about the earliest spot we could get a bounce, because that's right where the 20-day moving average is. But probably more likely we could come all the way down to probably about 25.8. It would be the next level I would look at on the downside. It's just the indicators are looking like, most of them are pointing downward at this point. We printed a red 9 on the TD sequential, so I'm looking for maybe a little more of a downside. If we did get a bounce, I mean, we got the 50-day. It's been holding as resistance for us and it's pretty close. It's right there at 27, and then you got the 200-day moving average right at 27.8. So we're really getting squeezed together. I'm actually bearish for maybe a couple days here, but if you bring up the weekly chart, it looks a little bit better. I do think we are looking for a little more of a bounce on the weekly. So long term, still bullish. Short term, this weekend, maybe we'll see a little bit more of a downside. All right, and lately there's been a lot of talk about the Bitcoin spot ETF. Everyone's talking about getting approved here later this year, maybe beginning of next year. But there's already instruments out there on the market that is providing exposure to the crypto industry, which we have a Bitcoin mining ETF tops the first 9 months. So yeah, the Valkyrie BTF miners, which provides exposure to Bitcoin mining industry, has gained about 117% so far this year, becoming the top performing ETF of the first 9 months of 2023. Now that's kind of big if you think about it, because it's showing there is interest coming in for cryptocurrency, even if it's just on the miner side at this point. It's still pretty big. All right, so there's been a lot of drama going on in the crypto influencer space. You got Ben Armstrong and Hit Network kind of in a dispute right now. Ben got kicked off his own channel. And in these times, I'm just asking people to just try to stay positive. You're seeing communities being torn apart. And just remember that we're in crypto for a reason that's much bigger than Ben, much bigger than Hit Network. Try to stay positive in these times. It's very hard to not be pulled into these things, but like I said, what we're doing here in crypto is a lot bigger than any influencer. So try to stay positive. We'll get through it. It's just these times happen. All right, so we bring up Eggscape, first sneak peek of their 2.0 collection. They posted this the other day. Love the art, pretty cute. I've watched them grow over the years, and it's crazy to say years now, but yeah, they're stuck around and they have built a great community. And we're going to be going to NFT Con, supporting them with our little shirts, and that's going to be next Friday. So we're going to be posting stuff from the event next Friday. We're going to be there. So if you see us out there, come up and say hi. That's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time.